Dory Sukup here, founder of Inspiration Management, with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Denise from New York. She's asking, I know you're always recommending to have a membership program, and I was wondering if you have instructions on how to set one up. Denise, where have you been? Of course we have a program to set it up. I have to tell you, having a VIP program is one of the most important things you can do for your business right now. As a matter of fact, the reason so many mastermind members are still profitable now, and even us as a business, is because of the reoccurring revenue model. As a matter of fact, in the featured article this month, I talked about how important it is to have the proper structure in place with a recurring revenue model so your business can withstand any disasters. So to answer your question, do we have one? As a matter of fact, I just finished revamping the membership program that we usually teach. I just went through it with all of our mastermind members. I came up with a brand new system for it called the copy system. And copy is because you're duplicating, right? So it's an amazing program. Many of the mastermind members have already implemented it. And we raised the amount of money that you could be asking for from your VIP memberships. So I highly recommend getting your hand on the brand new copy system so you can structure a great membership program for your business, increase your prices, and be able to have that nice monthly income on regular basis. So just imagine if right now you had that in place and how you would have navigated through the coronavirus. It's amazing. It really is. So yes, I highly encourage you to have one. Make sure you set it up properly. Give your consumers the flexibility that they need when you create that program. You need to also tie it to a loyalty program. This way you have both. You have the membership where they're paying you monthly, and then you reward them for being part of your membership program. So I'm so glad you're realizing, Denise, that you really need to do this. And if you need help in setting it up, that's what my team is here for. So you can always reach out and let us walk you through the process to make sure that your pricing is accurate and that you're not depleting your profit line because you're offering these discounts. So there's a lot that goes into setting one up. So just make sure you do it properly and that you are profitable. All right, so I hope that answered your question. You can go to the shop on Inspiration Management and you'll be able to find the membership program there. All right, so congratulations on wanting to set one up, and I'm sure it's gonna bring you great success. Thank you for your question. All right, so if you also have a question, make sure you write it to Dory at inspirationmanagement.com and we will answer your questions for you. Until next time, stay inspired.